Good morning, it's Quant Trade Edge with a special update for Monday morning. Just given how volatile the markets are, I wanted to show you some recent setups just from last night, and perhaps it opens your eyes to how to look for them and how to focus on them. Again, please drop a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. We're trying to grow our channel here. This is the 15-minute S&P 500. And if you remember if you saw the Gann bar counting video yesterday, you'll know that the entire drop that we've had since Thursday has not had a single two-legged pullback on the 15-minute chart. There's one one-legged pullback, one one-legged pullback, one one-legged pullback, and on the reopen yesterday, we got our very first two-legged pullback. This high here was 67.25. This high was 66.25. So that's our pullback. And as you know, that sets up an ABC because we're in a well-entrenched downtrend. And 4R on that would have been down to about 31 or 32. Somewhere down here. And, it's peaked a little bit below that. But that was a pretty clean and quick, and let me blow it up here so you can completely see it. This was the reopening bar. So from Friday's close, up here, down here, up here, set up our little pattern. Another great thing that set up last night was copper on the reopen, and for this you have to go to a higher time frame. But remember in the homework we were looking at how copper broke a daily trend line, and if we go back to the reopen here, let's see, where was the reopen? This was the reopening bar, 5 p.m. For 3 hours it basically sat in a hoagie, and then when Asia opened it dropped. So if you're looking at this is about 3 cents, 12 cents lower would be 47, and looks like we got almost there, not quite to, well, I guess it would be 47.20. We got 3 ticks shy of that. So if you use the full hoagie as your risk bar, 4R would be just a little bit lower than where we got. There was also a 4x trade in the 10-year bond. I don't actually have 10-year bond data on this platform. I was looking at it on another platform. If you look, the first daily higher high, and then we got a 15-minute ABC, and that got 4R pretty quickly. So, it's alive and well. And the other nice thing I liked, because we were looking at this on our homework, is, the only thing we really thought had more long side potential. And again, going back to the daily chart, you have this 646.6 as this key support. And in the June contract, we got down to 647.1. And this now is actually U-turn structure. So let's draw our lines in. This low went up to here. Now, although there are multiple waves on this down move, the takeaway is we got a higher low, and then we got a higher high. So this is your U-turn structure. And then we did get a little bit of pullback to have an actual down wave, which you need to then call this the turning up portion. And, this turned up at 663.6. We're about 20 cents above already. And one other thing I just wanted to point out on this is, remember the time of day turning points for natural gas. This bar right here was the 6 a.m. 6 to 6:05 bar. And that's right where we got our turning point. So lots of activity. Hope this helps you hone in on the opportunities, and I'll chat with you later.